The number 4 AI tool you need in 2025: Google Gemini and the Stoic Power of Perspective. In 2025, the real game changer is Google Gemini. Imagine this. You're writing an email, searching the web, and planning a project, and your AI assistant not only helps you write, but also understands images, analyzes data, and gives you insights instantly. That's not the future. That's Google Gemini. In 2025, Gemini has become one of the most powerful AI tools in the world. And today, we'll explore why it's the number 4 AI tool you need, how Americans are already using it, and why the Stoics would see it as the ultimate weapon for perspective, clarity, and action. By the way, this video is part of a series where we rank the 6 most important AI tools you need in 2025. And today, we're looking at number 4, Google Gemini. In the next episodes, we'll reveal the top 3, and trust me, you won't want to miss them. Section 1: The Stoic Idea of Perspective. The Stoics believed in seeing reality clearly. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." For the Stoics, wisdom was about perception, stripping away illusion and seeing things as they are. And that's exactly what Google Gemini does in 2025. It gives you perspective by analyzing information across text, images, and even video, so you can see reality more clearly, make better decisions, and act with discipline. Section 2: What is Google Gemini? So what is Gemini? Gemini is Google's flagship AI model. Multimodal. It understands text, images, code, audio, and video. Integrated. It's built into Google Search, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and even Android devices. Powerful reasoning. It doesn't just answer questions. It analyzes, compares, and recommends. Think of it as ChatGPT, but wired directly into the tools billions of people use daily. Section 3: Real-world use cases. Here's how Americans are already using Google Gemini in 2025. The student, Emily, 21, a college student in California. She uploads her lecture notes and a picture of the professor's slides. Gemini summarizes them into a study guide, then generates flashcards for revision. The business owner, Robert, 46, runs a small e-commerce shop in Texas. He uses Gemini to analyze sales spreadsheets, create product descriptions, and draft marketing emails, all inside Google Workspace. What once took him 10 hours per week now takes less than 2. The busy parent, Michelle, 38, a mom of 2 in New York. She asks Gemini to plan a weekly meal schedule, generate a shopping list, and even suggest quick recipes based on a photo of what's in her fridge. From classrooms to businesses to kitchens, Gemini is quietly becoming part of everyday American life. Section 4: Why most people ignore it. Here's the surprising part. Despite Gemini being available to billions of people, most still use it like a fancier Google search. They type one question, get one answer, and stop there. But Gemini is not just a search engine, it's a thinking partner. The Stoics warned against this kind of underutilization. Epictetus said, "What concerns me is not the way things are, but the way I think about them." Most people fail because they don't change the way they use tools. They think small, so they get small results. Here's the danger. If you treat Gemini like just another search engine, you'll get left behind, because those who master it will have a Stoic advantage in business, in learning, and even in relationships. The Stoics taught that perception shapes destiny. And in 2025, the way you use AI shapes your future. Ignore it, and you fall behind. Master it, and you rise above. Section 5: How to use Gemini effectively. Here are 3 Stoic-inspired ways to master Google Gemini in 2025. Ask better questions. Instead of, "What is Stoicism?" ask, "How can I apply Stoicism to deal with stress at work?" Better questions equals deeper answers. Leverage multimodal input. Upload pictures, charts, or drafts. Let Gemini analyze them and give insights. Don't just type, show and tell. Integrate with your routine. Use Gemini inside Gmail to draft professional replies. Use it in Docs to outline projects. Use it in Sheets to forecast your finances. Gemini isn't just an app. It's a layer of intelligence across your daily life. Section 6: The Stoic Edge. Why would the Stoics admire Google Gemini? Because it embodies their philosophy. Clarity. It helps cut through noise to find truth. Discipline. It helps you work smarter, not harder. Perspective. It reminds you to see things from multiple angles before deciding. Marcus Aurelius used philosophy to manage an empire. In 2025, you can use Gemini to manage your personal empire, your time, your work, your relationships. Conclusion. So there you have it. The number 4 AI tool in 2025 is Google Gemini, because it doesn't just answer your questions. It gives you perspective, clarity, and leverage. Most people will keep treating it like Google Search 2.0. But if you use it with discipline and wisdom, Gemini becomes a partner in thinking, planning, and creating. If ChatGPT is the brain, Midjourney is the eyes, VB is the voice, then Gemini is the lens, sharpening your perspective and guiding your vision. If this video inspired you, hit subscribe to Ancient Stoic Secrets. In the next video, we'll uncover yet another AI tool that could change the way you live and work. Remember, tools are nothing without wisdom. AI is the tool. Stoicism is the guide. And when you combine both, you build a life of clarity, discipline, and strength. See you in the next video.